Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to week 2 of Telling Time in second grade. The standard that we're going to be covering this week is telling and writing time from analog and digital clocks to the nearest 5 minutes using AM and PM. Learning outcomes for this week are students will be able to tell time to 5 minutes 80% of the time given an assessment. We are not dealing with AM and PM this week. We're going to do that later on in week 4. So let's go ahead and go on with our course. Remember that in your resources you have this interactive clock that you are able to toggle the digital clock on and off of. Okay, and then we'll go back to our course. Here is your video about telling time to the 5 minutes. Remember that our clock has 12 numbers, okay? But under each one of those hours is minutes, okay? And you all have this clock in your desk, so you are able to pull it out at any time. Okay, so if I say 3:05, our hour hand should be at the 3 or a tiny bit past the 3. You can barely see it past the 3. And our minute hand is going to be at the 5. So like, oops, and it moved on me. Let me go ahead and tighten that up. I'm actually going to help you guys out a little bit. Sorry, holding these clocks up is a little bit more difficult than it being on your desk. So, oops. We'll put our hour to the 3. There we go. So we have it being 3:05. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down in our course. You have your discussion board for this week. Please tell about what you learned about telling time to 5 minutes. Make sure to use at least 3 sentences. There are several ways you can describe this. Use your own words. Complete sentence equals starting with a capital letter, ending with punctuation, and the sentence must make sense. Don't forget to use adjectives and adverbs. Use those describing words. It is in the rubric that you can earn all 4 points by doing exactly that. Then you have weekly assignment number 1, which is your education.com. Go ahead and log in there and do what comes up. It's already assigned to you. Week 2 assignment 2 is going into Pearson, and you're going to do the page 12.3 practice. Go ahead and go back into our course. Remember, if you click on that blue link that said telling time to 5 minutes, it will take you to Pearson where you can log in. Your week 2 quiz is another Google Doc where you're going to insert pictures of you showing the time that is on in each box. Make sure you smile. And then you have your Zoom help that your parents are always welcome to join. Okay, remember, if you're having trouble at any point during this course, you can put up your sign asking a techspert to come by. And if they are not able to help you, then go ahead and send me a quick chat. You know where my desk is. You know where I'm at recess. Talk to you later.